city, sun city. The light lights the park and we see clearly, 'cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly. Sun city, 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 sun city. Not everyone will have the chance to shine so bright. It doesn't mean we should fire, shine a light, show your mind.
Repent, 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 for salvation is at hand. There are some of us who are falling far behind because of a weakness in flesh or the spirit. There are some of us who are falling far behind because of greed and avarice. Indeed, we are swarmed with petty gossip, immorality, and the like. Bible says there is a way that seems right in a man's eye, but the end of it is destruction. The Lord said he was coming soon, and that was 2,000 years ago. That means that the soon is sooner now. People of Sun City, I present to you the Lord Jesus Christ. Receive him now. If you don't receive him, he will reject you on the judgment day. How shakara mama. Posteki yandere mama koria baba baba. Mobutu seiko. Kabila Mobutu seiko. Shakara mama. Hi Jesus.
Sorry.
Can't you watch where you are going? This is not a meeting at all, you know.
I'm not blind. It's purely accidental. And please, young lady, be a bit more civil. Anyway, what hall are you in?
Yes, Antoine. And what has that got to do with anything?
I'm sorry. It's not intentional. I didn't do it intentionally. What's your room number?
Why? Is it your idea of some sort of chat-up line or something?
Chat-up line? What is that supposed to mean? I didn't intentionally do it. Please forgive me.
Indeed. How boring. Well, you tell me your hall and your room number and I'll bring you the bill.
205 Main Mandela.
Good. But for now, I have other business to take care of. Good day.
God moves in mysterious ways. I hope this devilish woman will not spoil my day for me. I have better things to attend to myself.
Postnatal development is divided into 4 stages. I want someone to mention these stages. Yes, Esinam?
There are infancy, childhood, adolescence, and adulthood.
Good. Now, which of these stages is difficult to control and why? Yes, Percy. You seem to have more zeal for classroom work this semester.
Always had, madam.
Okay.
Madam, most of the doyens of modern psychology, like Thorndike and Skinner, plus numerous tests and experiences, have shown that the most problematic to handle is the teenage stage or the adolescence. And this is because this is the stage when the individual tries to define his identity and becomes more assertive.
Good. You've been reading, eh?
Yes, ma'am.
Keep it up. Now, what is Oedipus complex? Yes, you at the back. Gentlemen.
Madam, me.
Yes, you.
Now please the question again.
I don't repeat questions because I expect you to be listening at all times.
Madam, I'm sorry.
You'll definitely be sorry at the end of the semester if you don't back. Gentlemen, you can't be 30 minutes late, then sneak in my class like that.
Madam, I attended my grandfather's mother's auntie's funeral. So I couldn't wake up early.
Get out!
I'm sorry.
Get out!
Sorry, madam.
I just hope she doesn't stop to talk. I just can't stand her. Maybe you have time for her. I don't.
Hello. Amele disappointed me yesterday. You promised you come to the evening prayer meeting.
Sorry, Nicola, but I had to take care of Mike. He has malaria.
I hope you're not going too far with Mike. You know, a lady must keep herself till married.
No, wait. Why can't you for once mind your own business? Instead of you're always trying to control people's lives, eh? Just leave her to lead her own life, okay?
Look, it's only out of concern for a sister that I'm constantly advising you. Anyway, I'm sorry if I've been intrusive.
Thanks for the advice, Nicola, but allow me to live my life as I see fit. I can make my own decisions, you know.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry I've been intrusive, but I'll pray to God that you always make the right decisions. I'll see you next time.
Okay, bye-bye. Self-righteous. Busybody.
Yes, what up? Malone, what happened?
Shall I say you destroy the place?
Oh, nothing much. Why you make busy? What did they read?
This Colombia disaster stuff, man. It's terrible.
Why, what's up for that?
Just imagine, say, you did die for that ball of fire inside.
Oh, Charlie.
You just imagine, Charlie, you did that thing inside.
Oh, Charlie. But I know all those guys are now patriots. You know.
You didn't talk about patriotism.
Hello. What you go do?
Yo, Papa Scrap, what's wrong with the lady yesterday?
See the crusade. Sagem. Papa Einstein. Yeah, Jonathan, good. What's your take on this Colombia disaster stuff?
Well, such events necessitate better technology to perpetuate the existence of the human species. My brother, if you have something to say, go and say it to the families of the astronauts. Don't come stand here and do your professor thing. My friend, move. You see, you don't understand. The whole is bigger than the unit. Some must die for others like you to live. What that bonera?
Rocks cry, they talking rubbish cry. This guy there, they check me. See him.
Make professor. I know you professor. I will learn now. I will talk to you. You go learn now. This guy is crazy mad finish.
Oh, Charlie.
So, when did you come down?
2 weeks ago.
Then you must be swimming in France.
Well, I didn't go there to sleep.
Hard working too, eh?
Yeah.
Hey, how about lunch?
No problem. Where do you want to go?
Someplace nice.
Hey?
You sure pack a punch. I'll stick around a while.
Well, if you're really serious, why not? I'll consider the possibility.
You bigoted man. Yeah, I'll stick around a while. Like men more pushy.
Tell me, what do you think of this guy? Isn't he funny? Why does he carry himself so much on campus like some Romeo? Eh?
Well, I think he's rather cute. I mean, he knows how to make a woman feel good. And besides, he and Esinam are not lovers, but see how he treats her.
What do I think? Please. To me, his eyes are too predatory for comfort. I don't see him. Why is everybody all over him? Why?
Well, that's your point of view.
Tell me, no. Listen, am I wrong? Can't you see a lion in sheep's clothing? Huh? Oh no, tell me. Has my Melly been smitten by the campus playboy? Huh?
You can take it any way you like.
I see.
Okay, Daddy. Where are all those rats who usually inhabit this place?
They've all gone for lectures.
Then indeed, give me 2 shots of the thing. 2.
Bitters or straight?
Bitters, of course. That is where the power lies. Quite refreshing.
No. John, tell me. Why do you always hide and drink?
Hakema. My friend, don't interrupt science. This is experimental. Oh, Mosobolisa, Kitikata Mihohala. Anemia, Nami soon. Emma do Bostoma. Unagawa, yes, Miami Wong.
Have you closed for the day?
Mind your own business, young man. Temper's haste, lest you stumble. Now for some rocket propulsion. That is the power of bitters. Oh yeah. Now, do you know about the space shuttle? A review tour. You know, actually, traveling at Mach 25, that is 25 times the speed of sound. You hit orbit through the ozone layer and you're right on cloud 9 at trajectory 90 degrees, cos theta angle 3, deducting the sub-territorial integrity of the machine flying at that octave tone. You can nonetheless hit any other planet than Saturn. Saturn, I'm telling you, I, Jabolevia Jonathan, will be the first black man to be on that planet. And when I return, you will still be serving me bitters.
Mayday, Mayday. Come in, Cape Canaveral. Can you read me ground control? Where am I? And to what do I owe this visit, Dr. Alfie?
Why do you ask when it's crystal clear?
You know, assumptions must be tested. Please state your mission.
That's why I like you. You're so eccentric.
What?
You're so crazy and it's kind of thrilling.
I want to get some oxygen.
You're such a baby. Are you okay now? Come join me. Come on.
Hey, Brabna.
I want you to explain the fluid properties of gases.
Oh, okay. That's rather easy. You know, all you have to do is to apply Avogadro's principle. But don't forget to actually permutate the coefficients, yeah?
It's still not clear.
Then let's go to the reading room. I'll explain it to you there.
I like it here. It's more cozy.
You see, I can't function properly in this hot environment. You know, if you want me to explain this to you, let's go to the reading room.
Okay. See you anyway.
What?
Sorry, why?
I'm
really, really sorry.
What
I
happened?
wasn't really looking where I was going.
Look, you take this for your problems. And make sure you wash your oranges, right?
I'm so sorry. But thanks for everything. You really saved my life.
That's no problem. Okay. My name is Percy. Percy Osebos.
Jacqueline is my name. But I'm sorry and thank you so much.
Okay, it happens to all of us, right?
Yeah.
You look cute. Are you around?
Yeah. Maybe you haven't been looking hard enough. Sit and you shall find.
Anyway.
Well, I'm in Yasantua Hall. I study law.
Okay.
Enjoy
Jacqueline,
again.
right?
Yeah.
I'll see you around.
Have a nice day.
Okay, I will.
Amelie was right. This guy is excuse me, do you have a number or something that I can probably get in touch?
Yeah. 364656. Space one, of course.
Okay.
Right,
Thanks.
see you
Enjoy
around.
again. And who said a woman cannot dance? I'm coming right after you.
Who at all are you sending a text to this time of the night?
It's none of your business. Why are you so inquisitive, eh? Learn to mind your own business.
Look who is talking.
It's still none of your business.
Sun City, Sun City. The light lights the park and we see clearly, 'cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly. Sun City, Sun City. Sun City, Sun City. Sun City, Sun City. Sun City, Sun City. Not everyone will have the chance to shine so bright. It doesn't mean we should fight. Shine your light, show your might. Sun City, Sun City, Sun City.